Well, it's a nice day out in the countryside. I was thinking of a run out tomorrow, but it says it might rain. So I thought I'll pop over today. Just do one little job. When I came back last time, I noticed down there was quite a bit of diesel. So I've just took this cover off, which, because most of the screws are missing, there's two nuts, two bolts there, and one little screw around that corner. And luckily it was what I thought. This pipe, which is not supposed to be there, it's got a clip like that, which was leaking slightly. That's all. So I'll give that a nip and all. And also my filter bowl, it was tight, if you remember, on that spring, so I just pulled that out. It's pretty weak, and all I've done is just bent it slightly. So that's that job done, and I've cleaned the filter bowl out, that's alright. And also the rad cap was a bit tight, because if you remember when I did it, it was bubbling a bit out there. And what happened was, when I washed the head out, I washed it out with some old petrol diesel mix, and it was in, so I flushed it out last year, and that's alright, but it had got a bit tight. So all I've done is got it off and put a tiny drop of oil around that, so that works. Now I've checked that. The other thing I've checked, just dipped my diesel tank, and it's still half full, and the leak off pipe is below it, so I had to empty it to about there. So I've done all my running about this year, which, as you know, is Lincoln to here, which is about 20 odd miles, and then there was Heckington back, which is another 22. Then I did what did I do, 5 miles to Chapel and round there at least, and then I must have done 10 miles to Coningsby on it and back. So we've done, well, I don't know, getting on 60 mile I think on that much. So it's pretty economical, isn't it? I was thinking of a run out. Anyway, what I'm going to show you, you saw the sponge on the tank. Well, I thought, just for a quick video, because I found this out, the best way to video on a tractor, right, on an old tractor. So I'll get set up and we'll just have a trundle along the hedge side. Now I've set my camera up on that bit of sponge that you've seen on the photos, only I've put the strap a lot looser. So what I'm going to do is just I need to go slow, but it's a vibration, so I'm going slowly down the hedge side at different speeds, and we'll see what we get when we get home. What I can do is just show you, I've still got, obviously on the card, I've still got the video from last weekend where it was a bit wobbly, right, a bit jello as they call it. So we'll have a go just down this hedge side and just see. Show you the best way of doing it is obviously to hold it in your hand, but because of our laws now we can't do that. So hang on, what I'll do, I'll just stop it here and set this sponge on. I'm now going to do the same thing, only holding the camera this time. Same speed, etc., just for a little while. direct on Paris, won't we? Side of a car. 12 to 15 mile an hour on the track. There you go. Right, on my way home I thought I would just stop here and give you a bit better look at this. Right, so as usual, calm down. Just hold that steady. Either with this or stop. If you have a read, hopefully that's well enough. Right, got the camera, haven't we? I thought we'd just show you it in a bit more detail. A little bit that's left of it. Now, I don't know if you know, but in the 70s, early 70s, there was a major pop festival here. I think I might have mentioned it. Not sure. On this site. And sometime, I'm doing this with my mate Andy, we're going to it'll be worth a video, won't it? There's quite a lot about it, caused a lot of problems and that. Don't believe all you hear. I might have even mentioned it recently. I can't remember if I was thinking about mentioning it or mentioning it. Anyway, been here a long while. The Abbey, it was torn down and to build a farmhouse. So I thought, as we're here, we'll just show you a little bit of it. I won't make it too long. And then what I'm going to do is pop home and have a look what this footy you've got, and I'll tell you what to do to hopefully get some video and what to avoid and that, which will work on, you know, anything, won't it? As well as a slow vibrating tractor, it'll work on motorbikes, all sorts of things, so hopefully it'll be a bit helpful. Right, the wind's picked up again, not to worry. There you go, see you at home. Just because we're here, I will just show you this, look. The last bit of harvest. I've nearly got it all cleaned up. So in conclusion, which I think you can say it's been a successful test. The camera not only wants to be mounted on a piece of sponge, but as loosely as we'll just hold it. And that seems to work. So as I said on the video, you know, we're not allowed to hold the camera, you know, at 12-15 mile an hour on a tractor. I'll be honest, I was looking forward to showing some decent video doing it that way this year. Anyway, not meant to be, but we've overcome. Yeah. So hope you found this a bit helpful, and we'll see what there is to bring you in the week. Just to let you know, it's car MOT time, it's booked in, all the work's done at last, and I've one job on the tractor that must be done. It's urgent actually, only a small job but it's important, so we've got that to do. And just to let you know again, it's Field Bangers next weekend. It's Steam Rally this weekend, but I'm not going now. It's well, it's one of those things, isn't it? You can't do everything. So that's what's happening and that's what's to come. So we'll see you in the week with something, no doubt. Alright, have a good day everyone.